Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is my 7-month review of the Worksport SC4 Pro folding tonneau cover. I've included a link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that, check it out. The vinyl tarp is PVC coated and is 15% fiberglass to help reinforce it for an additional strength. Worksport also uses aircraft grade aluminum extrusion, painted matte black to give it nice clean appearance along with the black vinyl tarp. And you can see the double PVC bulb seals help keep all the water and dust out of this once it's sealed up, keeping all your gear dry and dust free. And the releases are right here. This is what you pull to release your tabs, and you just simply adjust them to keep your tension on it to make sure you get a nice good seal across the tailgate. So it latches in like that, nice and sturdy. The only way you can open this up is if you have the tailgate down, so if you have a locking tailgate, adds that another level of safety so people can't get into your cover. Something I really love about the SC4 Pro is it folds up against the cab, giving you full access to your entire truck bed. You're not losing any space with this, but maybe 4 inches just at the edge here. But other than that, you have full access to the bed, which is a huge difference compared to the Retrax cover I had in here before. Took up a whole bunch of space, and now I'm able to have all of that space back with my Worksport cover. The nice thing about this cover is if you do want to leave it partially open while hauling a load, you can do that as well. There are these straps up here that you just need to buckle in place. Clip here. This is solid, it's not going anywhere. So this way, if you had just like a large box, but you want to keep some things covered, or you want to be able to see out the back glass while hauling it, it's a nice, safe, secure way to leave your cover partially open. I've been using my Worksport SC4 Pro cover for 7 months now, and I've absolutely loved it. I used it in all terrains and climates. We took it down to Mexico for a week and bashed around the desert a few hundred miles. It kept all of our gear dry and dust free, really nice. Also keeping all of our stuff out of sight, out of mind, safe and secure, latched up with the tailgate closed. We also took it on a trip out to Colorado and did a week of off-roading, and it held up amazingly. I will say the one thing you need to keep an eye on once you set it up is making sure that you have your latch adjusted correctly at the tailgate so that you keep that bulb seal compressed. Make sure you keep all of the dust and water and debris from coming in at the back of the tailgate. Once you get that set up right, this cover is bomb-proof. Well, we got some pretty good rain this first night, and the cover, our Worksport cover, kept all the water out. All of our gear is dry. It's not dusty after hitting 54 miles of trails yesterday. So I say that's a win, big upgrade. So let's get into the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. First off, this is a very lightweight cover, not adding very much weight to your payload. It's also very easy to install and allows full access to the truck bed. This cover also sheds water really well, keeps the dust out, holds up really well off-road, and lastly, it's affordable. All right, so let's get into the cons. One con is it does flap a little bit when going down the interstate at high speeds, but the structure does keep it in place, so it's not like it's gonna go anywhere. And for security reasons, if someone really wanted to get in there, they could cut the vinyl and get into the back of the cover. So those are the 2 cons that I have for this cover. So overall, I highly recommend the Worksport SC4 Pro cover for anyone looking to keep their gear dry, protect their investments. It protects from all climates, all weather, and keeps things out of sight, out of mind for anyone looking to steal anything out of the back of your truck. This cover is affordable and gives a nice clean look to your vehicle. I highly recommend the Worksport SC4 Pro, and I've included a link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that, check it out. Thanks for watching.